Welcome to Riven Trust, Canada's smart crypto solution. Have you ever wanted to earn money with cryptocurrency completely automatically and without actively trading yourself? Then Riven Trust is exactly what you've been looking for. With this AI-powered bot developed for Canadian investors, daily profits of 110 to 550 Canadian dollars are realistic, even with no prior experience. With Riven Trust, monthly returns of up to 70% are possible, making it one of the most powerful automated trading tools available today. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now to secure your exclusive bonus and be among the first to unlock the full power of Riven Trust. Riven Trust runs 24/7, constantly scanning the markets, analyzing trends, and executing ultra-fast, precise trades on your behalf. The advanced AI algorithms are designed to minimize risk and maximize returns, fully automated. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this bot takes care of the work, so you can sit back and watch your portfolio grow. One major advantage of Riven Trust is its Canada-based infrastructure, which ensures compliance with Canadian financial regulations and top-tier data protection standards. Your investments and personal data are safeguarded by some of the world's strictest financial laws and encryption technologies. That means you can invest confidently, knowing your assets are secure and compliant within Canada's regulated financial ecosystem. Thousands of users worldwide already trust Riven Trust and are earning stable passive income. The platform is recommended globally, not only for its strong performance, but also for its intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Just imagine waking up every morning and seeing your portfolio grow automatically, with zero stress and no wasted time. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description, grab your bonus, and be one of the first to experience the full potential of Riven Trust. Riven Trust is built on three core principles: trust, security, and cutting-edge technology. It meets all Canadian and international financial standards, including strict anti-money laundering (AML) policies. It's compatible with major crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, so you can easily connect your existing accounts and start automated trading right away. The AI algorithms were developed by seasoned Fintech experts who monitor the market 24/7 and continuously optimize their strategies in real time. This makes Riven Trust one of the most efficient and adaptable trading bots available, always one step ahead with minimal risk. And because great support matters, our Canadian-based customer service is available 24/7. From initial sign-up to navigating advanced features. If you're ready to take control of your financial future with a smart, reliable tool for passive crypto income, now is the perfect time. Click the link in the description, claim your bonus, and become part of the first wave of Riven Trust users in Canada. Start today and turn your crypto goals into reality. Thank you for your attention, and best of luck with Riven Trust Canada Edition.